The home page's clock says it's 6:30 a.m. and the today's reservations panel shows that rower 2 has a reservation for the Scout single today at 7 a.m. Can rower 2 claim that reservation a bit early? What happens when rower 2 just fobs in? Well, they get the select a boat type dialog. The reservation is ignored. Well, that's right, because a reservation is active only at its start time plus or minus 20 minutes. So we'll cancel this and we'll set the clock ahead to 6:45 a.m. and let rower 2 fob in again. So rower 2 fobs in again. And this time, the reservation is recognized. The logbook assumes that when someone fobs in who has an active reservation, their intent is to claim it. If that's not what they wish, they can just cancel the sign out. So rower 2 presses OK, and Scout is signed out.